just have to do. I'm so full of this candy. How did I get this pimple? Oh no! I don't have time to deal with this pimple. I have a test tomorrow. I need to study.
I'm so hungry.
Here's your lunch, Lily.
Ooh, thank you. It's time to eat. Ooh. Oh, but the bun and the cheese and the patty is gonna be like over 300 calories. Oh, I'll just separate the buns from the vegetable. Now I'll just eat my vegetables. I finished my lunch, but I'm still hungry. I gotta look good though.
Oh, my assignment's due tomorrow. It's crunch time. Organizing my school supplies should help. Much better.
That's so funny. Oh, my desk is so messy.
Lily, keep your mess on your own desk.
Sorry, I was just trying to watch my video. My desk is still a mess though. Can I borrow that?
Lily, what are you doing? That was my homework.
Oh, sorry. Did you want candy?
Again? No, we need to focus on studying. Ugh, I'm so hungry. Let's see what's for lunch today. Oh, thanks, Mom. Bon appetit. It's empty and I'm still so hungry. I wish I had real pizza.
Lily? It's a pizza from one of your TikTok fans.
Oh, my fans got me a pizza.
Alright, enjoy.
Thank you. Ooh, pizza.
Can I have some?
What do you have to offer?
Ooh, I have homework.
Deal.
Yes. Here you go.
Now I don't have to do homework.
Alright, here are your tests.
Thank you. Ooh, I'm so glad I studied for this test. All done.
Oh, since you're always the first one to finish, here, this is for you, Mia.
Thanks, Professor.
You're welcome.
Now I can just add this to my collection.
Oh, I don't even know what's going on. Hey, Mia, can you give me the answers?
Lily, I can't do that. That would be cheating.
Fine.
Give me your test. Cheating is an automatic F in my class.
Professor?
No, that's your grade.
Oh, man, if only there was a way to turn this into an A. Well, another F.
If you want to get into the dance, you have to follow the dress code. Okay, you're clear. Hey, stop right there. Hey, you don't meet the dress code. You can't come in.
Oh, isn't there something you could do?
Nice try.
Oh, man. That security man is so mean. I really want to go to the dance. Ooh, nice shoes. It's so hard to walk in these high heels. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Ooh, I can use this newspaper to make a nice dress. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it looks so nice. Now I'm ready for the dance. It's me again. Can I go in now? I changed.
Is that dress made of newspaper?
Yeah, but it's a dress. Come on.
Okay, go ahead.
Lunchtime.
Hey.
Is he talking to me?
Hey, I saved the seat.
Oh, I guess I could go over there.
Hey, thanks for saving my seat.
I can't believe I thought Kevin was waving to me. It's so embarrassing.
I got us lunch.
Ooh, chicken wings.
Ooh, chicken wings. Those smell good. I have an idea.
These chicken wings look so good.
Yeah, the buffalo flavor.
Time to eat.
What? I'm missing one.
So good. I want another.
Oh, she's trying to steal another one of my wings? I know what to do.
Ew, it's eaten! Aha! No more chicken wings for me! Time to post my new TikTok video.
Oh, Mia's gonna have a new TikTok video coming out.
Today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to solve a math problem. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the number, write that one down.
Oh, what is this video, Skip?
Oh man, I just lost another follower.
Oh, time to make my new TikTok. This one do. Much better.
Oh, Lily just posted a new TikTok video.
Hey, I'm gonna show you guys a new TikTok dance.
I love this dance, and she's already got 1,000 views already.
Mia, why do you look like that?
I stayed up all last night studying, and I look so bad.
Don't worry, I can help you.
Okay.
First, let's start with your hair.
Oh, my hair's rainbow. Thanks, Lily.
All done, you look perfect.
Oh, I do. Hey, do you want help studying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like your video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that bell button, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.